Rex Heuermann, 61, has pleaded not guilty to the murder of 7 women whose remains were found on New York's Long Island between 1993 and 2011. The judge in the case scheduled a pretrial hearing to determine whether DNA evidence linking Heuermann to hairs found at 6 of the crime scenes should be deemed admissible. The hearing is set for March 28, 2025, said Tanya Lopez, a spokesperson for the Suffolk County District Attorney's Office. Heuermann's defense team has petitioned the judge to exclude the evidence from trial, arguing that the technique used to obtain the DNA match, known as whole genome sequencing, is not widely accepted by the scientific community. Prosecutors disagree and are confident the court will deem the evidence admissible, saying the technique is used in a wide variety of scientific and forensic settings. For over 30 years, New York state courts have continuously adapted to embrace advancements in DNA technology, Assistant District Attorney Andrew Lee said in a statement. The advancement of forensic science and nuclear DNA analysis involving whole genome sequencing has allowed law enforcement to now link genetic profiles consistent with the defendant and/or individuals who have resided with him to 6 of the 7 victims through hairs found at the crime scene and/or on the victims. This gets more interesting. In addition to petitioning the court to toss the DNA, Heuermann's defense team wants multiple trials, not one. Judge Timothy Maze told Heuermann's attorneys to file additional paperwork to support their motion to stop prosecutors from tying their client to all 7 murders at once. Heuermann's defense team argued that evidence in some of the killing is weaker than others, and combining the cases could lead to an improper conviction. The Suffolk County District Attorney Office vowed to fight the request for separate trials, saying in a statement that the victims are inextricably interwoven by geographic proximity, victimology, digital and physical evidence, forensic analysis, and defendant's own planning document. What evidence is there against Heuermann? In addition to the DNA evidence, investigators have also discovered what prosecutors called a significant collection of salacious bondage and torture on more than 350 electronic devices seized from his home. Some of the violent, salacious videos and images dating back to 1994 involves methods consistent with the injuries to 2 of the victims, Tierney said. Prosecutors said they've collected burner cell phones used to arrange meetings with the slain women and discovered a document they believe Heuermann used to plan the murders. The document contains lists of supplies, saw cutting tools, and what's labeled as DS, which investigators believe stands for dump site. Another note says that more sleep and noise control would allow for more playtime, which prosecutors say refers to sexual mutilation. The task force believes that this is a planning document and it was utilized by Heuermann to methodically blueprint and plan out his kills with excruciating detail, Tierney said at a news conference. Murder charges stack up against Heuermann. The former New York architect was arrested in July 2023 in connection with the murder of Megan Waterman, 22, Melissa Barthelemy, 24, and Amber Costello, 27. In 2024, he was charged with the murders of 4 additional women, Maureen Brainerd Barnes, 25, in January, Jessica Taylor, 20, and Sandra Castilla, 28, in June, and Valerie Mack, 24, in December. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content and updates. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell for new uploads. In the meantime, stay safe and stay aware.